Hi student, here I am Dr. Rajesh, Head Department of Zoology, Mahatma Gandhi Mahavidyalaya Ahmedpur, District Latur. Welcome to BSc first year. So today we start the paper first, semester first, BSc first year, and that paper is the invertebrate structure and function. So basically structure and function about the invertebrata is a very complicated comparative account from the protozoa to the hemichordata. It is a very huge one, the syllabus, but one by one we discuss about that. The invertebrates are nothing but these are the animals which are having the basic primitive structure as compared to the highly evolved organism like the vertebrata. So it means that the presence of a notochord, presence of a nerve cord, and presence of a pharyngeal gill slits, these primitive fundamental characters are not found in the organism. They are called as the invertebrate. Basically this is the scientific definition. So we see one by one. In invertebrates, there are many parameters we want to study in detail, like the locomotion, then the body division, then their habitat, coelom. These many characters under that heading we want to study in detail the group, the invertebrata. Okay, so we see basically one of the most important parameter, that is the coelom. Coelom is the fluid filled by body cavity present between the alimentary canal and the body wall. So in basically the outer side of there is a body wall, and the inner side there is the internal organization. So in between them there is one space, and that space is filled with the fluid, and that's filled fluid space is called as the coelom. The true coelom has the mesodermal origin. So basically the developmental biology concept indicating that every organisms are made up with these three layer of a germinal layer, that is the endoderm, ectoderm, mesoderm, and the endoderm. So basically the coelom is constitution or the developed from the mesodermal origin, means the central ecto, endo, and the central part, that is the mesoderm. It is lined by the mesoderm. The peritoneal cavity present in the abdomen and the similar spaces around the other organs such as the lungs, heart are the part of the coelom. So basically these lungs, hearts are nothing but this is the originated in the space, developed in the space, and due to that they are the originated from the mesoderm, and they are the part of the coelom. Coelom differ in the structure and the formation process. So there are many of organisms, they are showing the many type of different patterns of the development, and due to that their coelom also differ by the structurally and by the process of formation. So see that when we get the TS of a body of organism, at that time we get this structure like this is the skin. So basically this word is belonging to the vertebrates and the chordates, but basically we call it the ectoderm. So this is the ectoderm. Muscles, so this is the mesoderm. So coelom, this is the central part, which is central core, which is called the coelom, and this space is very important, which around that, so this the green color is the gut, endoderm, and out of the surrounding that this is the coelom. So carefully it indicating that this is the space in between the internal core and the body wall. Okay, so kingdom Animalia basically separated on the basis of a concept of a coelom. The kingdom Animalia is the main, is the life science stream divided into the two streams. One is the plant, kingdom plant, and second is the kingdom Animalia. Subkingdom Protozoa, subkingdom Metazoa. Okay, so basically this categorization. So this kingdom Metazoa is differentiated into the Mesoderm, Parazoa, and the Eumetazoa. Okay, so in kingdom Protozoa there is a single cell animal. In Parazoa there is a poriferous animal, and this Eumetazoa differentiated into the Radiata and the Bilateria. So depending upon the symmetrical aspects, the Radiata divided into the Coelenterata, and the Bilateria is showing differentiation on the basis of coelom. So when we study in detail the invertebrate, at the time we know the first phylum is the phylum Protozoa, second is the Porifera, third is the Coelenterata. But after that, this is the organization gradation origin. Means this is single cell, this is the multicellular, these are the multicellular, multi-organized. Okay, but Bilateria shows acylometa, means the coelom is absent. Pseudocoelomata means the pseudocoelom means the coelom is present, but this is not true coelom. And the coelomata, it means that the exact correct original coelom is present, and in that there is including animal kingdom phyla, that is the Coelomata having the platyhelminth, Pseudocoelomata having the aschelminth, and the Coelomata having the Annelida to the whole through the forwarding developed categories of the organization. Okay, so thank you very much. So this is the one of the aspect of invertebrata regarding the coelom. In next lecture we discuss about the digestive phenomenon or the digestive aspects of the phylum kingdom Animalia, invertebrata, and basically from the phylum Protozoa to Hemichordata.